One of the things that the FMA does do for us is that they help us, in our goal to try and shift the perception of the manufacturing industry. I think our membership in the organization has mattered for several different reasons. First of all, it allows us to engage with our colleagues within the industry. We've reviewed with them best practices in a series of different meetings that we've gone to. The second reason is it's really enabled us to engage with the FMA in workforce development. That's really helped us along our path to success. What we're finding basically is some of the activities that have been undertaken by the FMA have really helped to contribute and provide some exposure for our industry and help to attract some young, inexperienced talent that we've been able to bring certainly into our company and train them up to have them become very useful and beneficial members of our organization. Manufacturing today has been allied anyway with far more advanced technology, and that's really allowed us to grow and develop this. It's really become far more automated. People utilize advanced skill sets and advanced technologies. That, combined with the opportunity to share best practices, has really helped us develop and mature as a company and allowed us to become more successful. I think our industry has an excellent story to tell, and they really do help us tell it.